You're probably sick of spending your weekends pushing a loud, heavy mower around while your neighbors are inside relaxing, right? Well, I tested the most hyped wire-free robot mowers on the market to find out which one will actually give you your weekends back. Let me explain. 6 Ecovacs GOAT 01000 LiDAR Pro. I mean, the name is a mouthful, and honestly, setting it up felt like a bit of a mouthful too. It promises this incredible LiDAR navigation, so you don't have to deal with GPS antennas, which sounds fantastic on paper. When I first got it running, it mapped out my yard pretty fast. The LiDAR does a solid job of figuring out where it is without needing a perfectly clear view of the sky. But here's where the reality check hit. It really struggles when the yard gets even slightly complicated. You know, for a mower that claims to be a pro, the obstacle avoidance is surprisingly sensitive. I found it constantly stopping for things that weren't even a threat, like tall dandelion stems or slight shadows, leaving weird uncut patches everywhere. It is incredibly frustrating to look out the window and see it just sitting there, terrified of a leaf. The battery life is decent, getting around 70 minutes per charge, and the large battery recharges fairly quickly. However, the app feels incredibly cluttered. It took me way too long to figure out how to just adjust the cutting height, and it felt like I was fighting the software more than managing my lawn. Overall, the GOAT has good bones with that LiDAR tech, but it just doesn't feel polished yet. If you have a perfectly flat, square yard with 0 trees, maybe it works for you. But for the price, I expected it to be a lot smarter out in the wild. Number 5. Mammotion LUBA 3 AWD. This thing looks like a tiny futuristic race car, and I'll admit I was really excited to get this out on the grass. It uses what they call a tri-fusion system, combining LiDAR, satellite tech, and cameras. Let me tell you, this mower has absolute brute strength. The all-wheel drive is no joke. I drove this thing up a massive hill in my backyard, something close to a 38-degree slope, and it just crawled right up without slipping. It is an absolute tank when it comes to climbing. But, and this is a pretty big but, that power comes with a cost. Because it's so heavy and aggressive, I noticed it actually started tearing up my turf near the edges when it turned around. The zero-turn capability is cool, but when the ground is slightly damp, those thick wheels just chew up the grass, which completely defeats the purpose of making your lawn look nice. Also, while the obstacle avoidance is better than the Ecovacs, the app connectivity drove me a little crazy. There were multiple times I tried to send it back to the dock from my phone and it just lost connection. I had to physically walk out there and restart the app. For something this expensive, I mean, it should just work every single time. The LUBA 3 is a beast if you live on a mountain and need pure climbing power. Number 4. Mova LiDAX Ultra 2000. This was actually a huge surprise for me during testing. Mova completely ditched the traditional antenna setup and went all in on 3D LiDAR and AI vision. Setting this up was honestly a breeze. I literally just dropped it on the grass, opened the app, and it mapped my half-acre lot entirely on its own. No boundary wires, no beacons, nothing. It created this gorgeous 3D map of my yard right on my phone, identifying trees and flower beds accurately in minutes. The actual cut quality is fantastic. It has this true edge technology that gets impressively close to fences and garden borders. I used to spend a good 30 minutes with my string trimmer after a robot was done, but the Mova got so close I barely had to touch up anything. That alone is a massive time saver. You know, watching its AI vision work is actually pretty entertaining. My neighbor's cat wandered into the yard and the Mova spotted it immediately, stopped, and smoothly routed around it without getting confused. It handles obstacles with a lot more grace and confidence than the previous 2 mowers. Now, it isn't absolutely perfect. It does slow down quite a bit when navigating really tight corners, which adds to the overall mow time. But honestly, since you don't have to babysit it, who cares if it takes an extra 20 minutes? It is a highly capable machine that brings genuine peace of mind. Roborock RockMow. Roborock dominates the indoor vacuum space, so I was incredibly curious to see how they handled the great outdoors. Let me explain. They absolutely nailed the transition. This mower uses a spinning 3D LiDAR turret on top, taking in hundreds of thousands of data points a second. During my tests, I intentionally placed lawn chairs, a garden hose, and a soccer ball right in its path. It didn't just avoid them, it gracefully danced around them and completely mapped out the changes in real time. The precision is wild. What really impressed me was the dynamic suspension. My yard has a few hidden dips and exposed tree roots that usually trap other mowers. The RockMow suspension kept the wheels planted and the blade deck level, so I didn't get those ugly scalped patches of grass. It features a 6-blade cutting system that genuinely leaves the lawn looking like a premium golf course. And with the edge trimming module, it gets within an inch of the boundaries. It is incredibly satisfying to watch it glide along a retaining wall, leaving a perfectly flush cut behind. The Roborock RockMow is a heavy-duty premium machine. Yes, it is built like a small tank, and it looks a bit industrial, but it has the brains to back it up. If you have a complicated yard with a lot of varying terrain and obstacles, this is a phenomenal choice that will not let you down. Number 2. Segway Navimow 110N. If you want the absolute best bang for your buck, this is the one. Segway has completely figured out how to balance price, performance, and incredible AI intelligence. It uses a navigation system that combines satellite positioning with a front-facing camera. I have a massive oak tree in my front yard that usually blocks GPS signals, causing other bots to spin in circles. The Segway just switched over to its visual camera, recognized the surroundings, and kept right on mowing. It never got lost once. You know what else? It is terrifyingly quiet. It runs at about 58 decibels, which means I could run it at 6 a.m. on a Sunday and my neighbors wouldn't hear a single thing. Plus, the AI mapping meant I didn't even have to manually drive it around the perimeter to set it up. It found the edge of the grass and mapped itself. The cut is beautiful and uniform. It actually changes its mowing direction automatically every time it goes out, which is super healthy for the grass and prevents wheel ruts from forming over time. It recognized my garden hoses and completely steered clear, saving me from a shredded plastic mess. The only reason it isn't number 1 is that it maxes out at a 1/4 acre and struggles slightly on very steep inclines right near the dock. But for the vast majority of suburban yards, the Segway Navimow is a masterpiece of engineering. It just works beautifully and quietly. Worx Landroid Vision Cloud. Well, let's just say this mower completely blew my mind. It represents exactly what the future of lawn care is supposed to look like. Here's what matters. There are no antennas to install, no boundary wires, and absolutely 0 subscription fees for the cloud network. You literally plug in the base station, drop the mower on the grass, and press go. The Vision AI and cloud satellite tech do all the heavy lifting instantly. I tested the 4-wheel drive version, and it has an articulating chassis. That means the front and back axles move independently. When it hit a deep rut in my side yard, the body twisted to keep all 4 wheels on the ground while the blade deck stayed perfectly flat. The turf stayed completely pristine. I even tested this thing at night using its headlights. It spotted a tiny toad in the grass in pitch darkness, stopped, and navigated safely around it. It doesn't rely on a pre-programmed list of objects. The AI just knows that if it's not grass, don't chop it. That level of safety is completely unmatched. Add in the fact that it uses the exact same batteries as other Worx power tools, and it's a total no-brainer. The Landroid Vision Cloud is incredibly smart, respects the edges of your property with its specialized offset blade, and handles rough terrain effortlessly. If you want the ultimate set it and forget it lawn care experience, this is the absolute best robotic mower you can buy right now. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.